As you can see, I adjusted my audio settings. Seems like last time.
Outside.
Also, reason why
You've
I
got
wanted
nothing
to
to worry about with
not
merciless.
keep going, and also because it was basically like an audio test for the intro part. Yeah, because could not really hear myself, so put myself closer to my mic, sitting edge of my seat. Let's go. Also, I need to eat. Feeling much more awake now.
May I take your order?
What? Oh, hi.
Turns out I'm treating a friend today, so I'd like to order the finest dish in the house. Oh, I take it you're referring to our
Oh, that's so cute. They're playing
secret
together.
menu? That's right. Tell the chef to sharpen his knife. I'm expecting surgical precision.
Is that a reference to something?
Yeah. The Hidden Hero. It's a novel my best friend Helka sent from Liyue. There's the chef, and he fights the bad guys with a kitchen knife. It's really cool. It's her favorite part of the book. She's always nagging Linnea to act it out with her. Psst. Linnea! Do you think Chef Yerba could be a hero in disguise too? He does chop vegetables super fast. Oh, I think it's definitely possible.
Not a chance, I'm afraid. Evening, everyone. What can I get you?
Hi.
Why don't you choose for us? I'm treating a friend today. We're celebrating our success in the qualifiers.
Sure thing. I'll rustle up a few of my specialties then. Won't be long.
He's giving very Linnea energy.
Hello? I'm ready to order.
Be right there. I gotta go. Let's play again soon, Linnea.
You seem to get along really well with everyone here. Oh, that's right! Didn't you say that this used to be your home?
Yes. After my parents departed, I came to live here with my friends in the conch gang.
Sorry to hear that.
I didn't mean like that. They're still alive and well. They just don't live around here anymore. Come to think of it, I haven't told you my story yet. I guess you'll have noticed the wings on my head by now. They're proof that I'm not human.
Yeah! Paimon noticed those. Are you comfortable telling us some more?
Sure. Well, it's a story that starts a long, long time ago. When I was just a kid, my wings were barely noticeable. They looked just like two little cowlicks. No one suspected there was anything unusual about me at first. Not even Mom and Dad. They were too busy to notice. But I always had this strange feeling I couldn't explain. Like I knew that all these little ways I was different from my friends couldn't just be a coincidence. Then, I was a little bit older, I read this story in a book of folk tales. It was about changelings.
Changelings? What are those?
The story goes that some of the Snowland Fae will secretly switch their own child with a human baby, leaving their offspring to be raised by humans, while taking the human child for themselves.
Why would they do that?
I know, right? The way the stories are written, it sounds like something parents make up to scare naughty kids. If you don't behave, the Fae will take you away and leave a better behaved child in your place. It's the sort of thing that starts as a warning and evolves into folklore over time. So, obviously, I didn't take it seriously at first. But then as I grew older, I started exhibiting more and more Fae-like traits. I mean, just look at the crystals on my skin. No humans have those. It's a dead giveaway.
So, you're really a changeling, huh? Did you tell your mom and dad?
Bear with me, I'm getting to that. At first, I wanted to hide it from them, but eventually I plucked up the courage to tell them. I figured, even when we're scared and uncertain, it's important to face the truth head on. They were stunned, of course. It took them a while to accept it, but after the truth had sunk in, Dad sat me down and told me they'd decided to head north and look for their child that was taken. They're really good people, though. Not only did they raise me for all those years, but they left me some money in case of emergencies. After
I wonder
that,
if we'll get to meet
I
them.
grew up with my friends in the conch gang. All of these kids are from broken homes, but everyone supports each other, and they still live life to the fullest.
Food's ready! Talking about old times again?
Yeah, it just sort of came up in conversation. Whoa, what's all this? You've cooked up a real feast, Yerva.
Holy crap.
Well, you did say you were treating a friend. Besides, only the best for our old boss.
Oh, boss? Linnea was your boss?
So you were the head honcho of the conch gang? Please excuse my ignorance, Don Linnea.
Hey, what kind of a reaction is that?
Linnea's been a fountain of knowledge ever since she was a kid. She always speaks with such
Aw.
authority. Everyone admired her so much that we picked her to be our boss. But the conch gang's only for children. Once you grow up, you have to leave, so now she's the old boss.
I've always found the logic behind that title to be a little flawed. I mean, what happens when the others grow up? Will I be the ex-old boss? Surely it won't be long before I'm the previous former ex-old boss.
We'll all be long gone from the conch gang by that point. As far as we're concerned, there's only one person that we'll ever think of as our old boss, and that's you.
Oh, that's really touching.
Well, if it means that much, maybe you could leave a 2,000 more a tip? Much appreciated. Miko's birthday is coming up, so we're pooling our money to get him some new clothes.
Sure thing. I'll go one better and give you 3,000. But just this once, all right? I have my own stuff to save for.
Oh. What are you saving up for, Linnea?
I have big plans. I want to buy a huge ship for scientific research, then take my friends on a voyage of discovery to explore all the mysteries of the world. I want to sail to all the other nations, hear the heartbeat of the jungle, the whispers of the wind, the echoes of the mountains. And one day, when I'm too old for all that, I'll combine everything I've learned into a great illustrated atlas of nature. Of course, there are other questions I hope to get answers to along the way. Like, what exactly Lumi is and where my birth parents are.
They're so cute. Oh wow, she finished that way before the... Aww.
Well, when I was much younger, I used to hear these strange lullabies as I was drifting off to sleep. Go, child of the Fae. Make your way to the villages and towns and seek kinship with the humans. The world of the Fae is rife with a sorrow you do not understand. They were sung in the tongue of the Fae by kind, warm voices. I can't explain why, but somehow I knew that they didn't want me chasing after my origins. Still, I did visit the tundra once when I was a little older to see if I could find out anything about them. But just being there made me feel uncomfortable. Every instinct was telling me to leave. It's odd. That place is supposed to be my home, but it feels like I'm unwelcome there. Could it simply be because I'm a bird fae, so I prefer a warmer climate?
That's definitely possible.
Something tells me there's gotta be more to it than that. The less I know about something, the more curious I am. One day, I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. But enough about that. We're supposed to be celebrating our victories! Cheers!
Cheers!
Cheers! Paimon can't wait to dig in!
I'm stuffed. How about you guys?
Considering it seems like we finished all the plates, yeah, I'd be stuffed.
Yep. Paimon's fit to burst.
Let's see.
Did our
It's a
animal
little
friends
early to
get
hit
to
the
eat?
hay. How about we get Aguara and Lumi to try a little sparring practice? The opponents are only gonna get tougher from here.
Yeah?
Like a little practice match. They'd probably be into it.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's go!
I do like Linnea's energy quite a bit.
They're very evenly matched. It's strange. When I was battling you, I couldn't seem to get into the zone. I had no way to predict your next move.
We got increased attack and HP. That went by so quick. Right.
Hey, I'm curious. Why does Aguara have a ribbon tied around his tail? And how did you two meet, anyway?
Can we actually talk, please?
Now that's a long story.
You briefly sum up the events from Lost in the Woods and how you came to be friends
What
with
an
Aguara.
incredible adventure! Someday, I
for
want
no
to go
spoilers, 'cause I
on an
still need to do this.
adventure of my own. Show Lumi every corner of the world. There's gotta be countless stories out there waiting to be told. You're excited too, huh, Lumi? But most importantly, we have to figure out who you are and where you came from. Then we can track down others just like you.
Aww.
Maybe then you won't feel lonely anymore.
Does Linnea feel lonely because she's also like one of a kind and separated from her kind?
It's about time we all got some rest. Good training session, everyone. I'll see you at the arena tomorrow. Oh, we'll have to draw lots again, won't we? Hopefully we don't end up facing each other this early in the competition. Wait, no, forget I said it. I should go before I jinx it. Lumi!
Cute.
See you tomorrow. Thanks for dinner.
You're welcome, bye!
Phew. Let's head back to the flagship and get some sleep. Paimon's eyes are starting to droop.
Yeah, so basically this is our replacement a little one, which is interesting to think about without spoilers apparently. Oh.
Waiter! Come here and taste this wild berry trail! Then look me in the eye and tell me it's fit for human consumption! It's much too sour and has a bitter aftertaste. I want my money back!
Please don't shout. I assure you the berries we use are of the highest quality. Bitter is out of the question.
Probably an anecdote.
I think you've had too much to drink. Time to settle up and leave.
Why do you sound like Albedo?
Too much to drink? I'm perfectly sober, thank you. Now you'd better give me this meal on the house. Otherwise...
Otherwise, what?
Huh? Who the heck are you?
I'm glad
I'll
you
tell
asked.
you who the heck I am. The name's Arataki.
Thanks for waiting, mucho apreciado. Ito!
That's kind of insane.
Oh, I'll tell you who the heck I am. The name's Arataki.
Thanks for waiting, mucho apreciado. Ito!
I love Ito Zuye so much.
Oh, an Oni! It's an Oni!
Nice work, Ito. Keep this up and we might just have to double your bonus at the end of the month.
Oh, that's absolutely helping.
Don't you worry about a thing. As long as Ito's around, consider this establishment protected.
Oh, wait, is this actually part of the quest? What? He just walks around too. Interesting. Wasn't expecting that. That's a cool little addition. Oh. Oh, that's cute. Person in the room next door pays. How was I supposed to read that? Someone's restless.
Oh, is that the time? The draw's about to start! Come on, we gotta get moving!
Is Ito also still pacing around? It's such a cool detail.
Our drink recommendations?
It being fully voiced too, and like they put in the work for the camera work. Milani? Oh!
Let's see. Your next opponent is... Linnea.
Tania.
Oh, that name sounds familiar.
We met her at the Beast Tamers tournament in Sumeru. She was a runner-up in the Nilo Pala Cup, which was only Sumeru. So that was 2022? Yeah. So 4 years ago.
Oh, yeah! Paimon remembers now. She's been looking after our fungi friends this whole time. Who do you think she's gonna partner up with for the competition?
Watching her use Bongo
Let's go say
Head.
hello.
No, she wouldn't do that. Probably.
Welcome, one and all. The round of 16 is about to begin. Our contestants for this match are the Traveler and his partner, Aguara, versus
Oh,
Linnea
Centerpiece.
and her partner, Fluffy the Flower King.
Hey, Golden Comet and Silver Companion. Good to see you again. This'll be our first proper rematch since the Nila Pala Cup. I brought my old Sumpter Beast with me this time. Looks like you're partnering with a new companion too. Let's see who wins this time around.
Yeah. So cute. Linnea has full confidence in her Fluffy the Flower King favors a direct fighting style as well. High endurance, occasionally stop to rest, while resting comes vulnerable to increased damage from all attacks. Oh, they even have the little triangle. And just noticed. And they even have the text a proper color too.
You're even tougher than last time. But you know what? Sumpter beasts are renowned for their endurance. It's their refusal to give up that allows them to traverse huge rainforests and deserts, one step at a time. And when they charge full speed, they kick up enough dust to blot out the sky. Send 'em flying, Fluffy the Flower King!
Watch out!
What? We're going full Pikachu style.
What?
Yeah, get him. Cute.
Looks like this isn't gonna work.
Contestants, please have your animal companions return to the
Oh.
arena immediately, or you'll both be disqualified.
Oh no! Come back, Fluffy!
That's cute. So I wonder what would have happened. Okay, I'm really curious. What happens if I do the other option? I'm that curious. Plus, the previous one with Ito, I forgot what the other option was, but clearly it's the same. Put through the effort.
You're even tougher, but you know what? Sumpter beasts are renowned for, and when they charge full speed, send 'em flying, Fluffy the Flower King!
Watch out!
Agura, dodge! This is probably the exact same thing. Ooh, that's graceful. Aw, yeah, they did do completely different animations.
Fluffy, wake up!
Oh, so this was the better option. Okay.
Fluffy!
Fluffy, you good? Oh, okay. Stamina opponent HP depleted by preparing a rapid assault. Okay, okay, so it does affect the battle too. Where Ito would have been disqualified regardless. Take a nap. Okay. Cute.
The Traveler and Aguara are the winners!
Oh, what a shame. It was so close. Even with the new partner, you're still as tough as they come. This was some bad luck running into you so early in the competition. Well, since you defeated me, you better go all the way like in the Nila Paula Cup. I can handle losing, but only to a champion. So you go show him who's boss.
All right, we're through to the quarterfinals. Let's go see who our next opponent is.
Can we talk to Linnea? Nope, guess not. I don't see anyone else around for this supposed competition, which is, you know, it's a little empty. Just gotta say. Because I appreciate all the decorations, but for I don't know. I guess it's not like a festival event, but still, like, you'd think there'd be people. Milani? Yeah, there we go.
Let Paimon take a look. Next up is Moalani. Oh, so we have to fight that big holosaur next? Oh, Aguara, we're counting on you.
You just gotta believe in yourself. Sorry, ganbatte. Just do your best.
Hey, Paimon noticed something when we were drawing lots. Most of the contestants have given their animal companion a cool title. Shall we come up with one for Aguara too?
How about the Echoing Flash, the Bandana Bandit, Brinton Braun, the Rovin Rarin Soren?
Well, Aguara seems to like it. Awesome! Okay, let's head to the next match.
Usually they allow you to re-choose, but I guess it's not super important. It's fine.
Are you ready to rumble? Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the quarterfinals. After a fierce competition so far, we're left with the creme de la creme of the contestants. But who among them will advance to the semifinals? There's only one way to find out. Joining us to kick this round off, we have the Traveler and his partner, Aguara, versus Mualani and her partner, Mamala.
How you feeling today, Mamala?
Rawr.
That's the spirit! Now let's get out there and show these not-cry folks what the people of the Springs are all about!
Battle-hardened one-eyed king. Milani uses clever trick in combat, causing Mamala to perform feints. What you observe may be a mix of her misdirection, so analyze them carefully before reacting. However, she seems to perform a certain move out of habit just before he's executing a feint. I'm watching Milani and I'm not really seeing too much of a difference.
What a tough cookie! I thought this would be way easier. Your little Saurian doesn't play around. All right, get up close and let's settle this. Jump, Mamala! Get out of the water!
From what I remember, Mamala's left eye is covered by an eye patch. That might be an opening. Actually, what does happen if we choose nothing? Does it just choose for me?
Taking it head on, huh? You should have run!
Oh,
Sorry, but in terms of brute strength, a young Tapetlosaur is no match for an adult Kaholosaur.
Oh, do we lose?
Don't try to be a hero next time!
Oh. Wow. Well, I'm glad I got that. I'm very curious what would have happened with Ito's now, if I literally just took it. Dang it, now I have to hopefully watch a playthrough of them not doing anything. Oh, now she's like straight up fainting. Huh. Yeah, the game's just straight up lying to me now. That's crazy.
What a tough cookie! Alright, get up close and let's settle this! Jump, Mamala!
See, it's like his left eye, right? So I'd want to go right, right? So I should go left if I wanted not at the right one.
Saw that one coming a mile away! Tapetlosaurs might have the advantage on land, but it's a different story in the water! Mamala! Finish him off!
Ooh! Oh. Wait, did we just insta-lose? Oh, wow, you just insta-lose. Or we just took enough damage, I can't really tell. No, that is super cool. You literally have 3 versions of every one of these fights. Maybe it's me playing Pokemon Champions, but I'm reading her like a book.
What a tough cookie! Alright, get up close and let's settle this! Jump, Mamala! You took advantage of Mamala's blind spot. Not bad.
5 times damage and reduced Mamala's attack by 20%. Loki, this would make a great event thing. Oh. Might just lose this. Oh. Oh. No. Okay. Round 4. Not that we're counting. So the text doesn't actually mislead you, it's like, what is she trying to do? So... But you still really need to get the offense. Because you just have so much less HP, like more as per usual in these kinds of games. You gotta strategize them. I can't even imagine how
What a
difficult
tough
the
cookie.
fight with
All right,
Fumi will be.
get up close and let's settle this. Jump, Mamala! Watch out! You took advantage of
Go, take time. Already been going for 40 minutes and we're like still early on in the quest.
Mamala has lost the strength to fight on. The Traveler and Aguara are the winners!
Look at those little lamps.
Seriously? There's no way I just lost. Gotta hand it to you, Aguara. You are seriously strong for your age. That was incredible. Hey, you're strong too, Mamala. That one was on me. I made too many bad calls. I'm sorry. Keep it up, Aguara. I want to see you take down even more opponents. You were the best little Saurian out there today. I'll leave you guys to it. Cheer up, Mamala. How about I take you for a tasty treat, huh?
Have we seen Momola before this? Maybe in her story quest?
Whoa! That was a nail-biting match!
Yeah, that was
heart's still
intense.
racing! Anyway, Linnea will have finished her match by now too, right? Let's go see how she did! Linnea!
Is your match over already?
It sure is. Wanna take a guess who won?
I think I can guess from your wings.
Judging by the smile on your face, Paimon's pretty sure it was you.
Correct! I was about to go watch the other matches. Care to join me? The next one's a pretty big deal. Someone called Celino versus the reigning champion, Yehoda.
Ooh, we have to watch that. Yehoda's a friend of ours, so we should be there to cheer her on.
Perfect. Well, stick around. It should be starting soon.
Why do I get the feeling Selenona was that lady who's been eyeing Linnea? Yep. Dang.
What the? Celino's companion is a radiant blade horn? Those things are extremely hostile. How did she manage to tame it? Technically speaking, radiant blade horns are classed as monsters. But they are beasts of the wild, and they're not exactly uncommon. It's not against the rules, but still, it's gonna be a really hard one to beat.
Go for it, Yehoda! You got this!
Ignorance really is bliss, but it won't last forever.
So Selenona's her name. She was the one watching Linnea's last match, and there was something strangely hostile about her demeanor. Well, Linnea doesn't seem to know who she is. She talked about her as if she's just another contestant.
Do you think speed alone will stop me from catching you?
How about you run around and find out? Reed Miller the 13th, run that thing ragged, and then go in for the kill!
Behind you, on the right.
Reed! Her reaction time is incredible. It's almost as if she can read her opponent's mind. Dodge left, Lumi! Thanks, that means a lot. Yeah, I think we performed pretty well out there. Not just Lumi, I was really in the zone today. I don't know how to explain it, but sometimes it feels like I can predict my opponent's next move. I know exactly what to do before I've even had the time to think.
Linnea said something similar after her first match. Could it be a coincidence?
Keep it together, Reed! Jump!
He's trying to jump on your back, Hemus. Don't give him the chance.
Hemus is a crazy name.
Use your wind blades to slow him down.
He's too powerful! You've gotta go for a knockout blow! Charge your lightning, Reed! Then blast him with all you've got!
Did those things always have lightning attacks? Great little piece of art.
Deflect it back, Hemus. That was close, but the outcome is all that matters.
Reed Miller the 13th has lost the strength to fight on. Celino and Hemus are the winners!
Oh.
Those wings. Wait! Who are you? And why do you...
Oh.
why do you have the same...
I've been through this moment so many times in my head. Imagining you sharing the same pain I feel. I thought it would bring me joy. But I guess not. You're better off with the life you have, Linnea. The less you know, the better.
My head! Don't go! Wait!
Oh.
Linnea! Oh, what happened? Why did Linnea faint? Oh, we gotta find her somewhere to lie down! Quick! Hurry! What happened? I'll go get Lauma!
She's breathing normally. No obstruction of the airways. She just needs a little peace and quiet.
Oh, that's a relief. Thanks, Lauma.
My pleasure. If she has any more trouble, just let me know.
Will do. Oh, Linnea. Please wake up soon.
Oh.
Good morning. Huh? Where am I? Lumi? Lumi! How strange. Where could she be? I wonder how long I was out for. Well, I'd better take a look outside.
Oh. Oh, interesting. I would like to say this is a good time for me to call it, just because it's getting a little late. But I was not expecting the sudden first person.
Lumi! There you are! I've been looking all over for you. Come on, say something. Why do you look so anxious?
Looks like our contestants and their partners are in position. On the one side, we have Linnea and her partner Lumi, and on the other side, we have Celino and her partner Hamus. Buckle up, folks. The semifinals are about to begin.
Wait, how is it the semifinals already? Also, how did I even get here? I don't remember a thing!
Well, it's very accurate because there's only one person in the audience.
I get it. I'm still dreaming.
You can do it, old boss.
Even if this is a dream, I can't let my supporters down. I'm gonna give this my all. We're up, Lumi. Let's show them what we've got!
This is cool POV switch. Are we actually... Oh, guess not. I thought we'd still be able to do the
What a
minigame.
spectacular duel! But Lumi has lost the strength to fight on. Meaning, Celino and Hamus have earned their place in the final!
Huh? What's going on? They're saying I lost already? This dream sucks. I want to wake up right now. I've heard that if you try really hard to open your eyes, you can force yourself awake.
She's so cute.
Did it work?
Where are we?
Guess not. Huh? Is Dream me writing a diary?
Oh, we're doing this again.
My Adventurers Guild salary alone will never be enough to finance a research vessel. It seems my only option is to take up adventuring full time. A research vessel? Looks like Dream Me is working hard toward my goal. But the cost is just astronomical. It could take a whole lifetime to save up for. Day 1. Got beaten up by monsters.
Okay. Lumi.
Day 5. Ran for my life with Lumi. Turns out I'm getting faster.
She's so cute.
Day 20. Asked a merchant about prices. Ships cost a fortune. But I can worry about that later. Right now, it's time for a proper meal. I'm starving. Day 72. Found a huge abandoned treasure chest. Finders keepers! Happy adventure anniversary to me! 1 year in. And still nowhere near rich enough to afford a ship.
That's relatable.
Almost got scammed! Note to self, secondhand ships aren't to be trusted. Good job I was wary and checked it over thoroughly before committing. You really do get what you pay for. Finally beat that pesky thing. Hoping the materials I gathered recently will fetch a good price. The diary ends here. Hold on. Is this... a deed for the purchase of a large ship? And I've signed it! Could it be? A dream come true! The Golden Beagle! What a wonderful dream! The ship gently swaying as it carries me to a faraway land. Oh, what a feeling!
Oh, this is so cool. I do think I should stop here just so I can get another quick nap in before finishing this story and work and all that. But love that we're finally getting the POV switch and finally delving into her backstory, and we did actually get to do quite a bit of the event, and it wasn't like interrupted by outside forces who hate Pokemon. I don't know, Team Rocket. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna call it here. Probably finish the rest of it next time I get a chance to record and finish. Probably by the weekend, but I also want to do Woo story, so I'll probably finish this and then Woo story after. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.